wheelie this time. Last time I felt like I was a rookie. Every day is a good day to be on two wheels, people. Oh, heavy-handed this throttle. She likes to be revved. Got two cray. Hashtag thank God for handguards. If I didn't have handguards, I'd probably be missing a couple phalanges. The art of the one wheel. And I like skidding too. The art of the one wheel is super satisfactory. Satisfactory? Satisfying. Really enjoy it. A lot. Just in case you like that, here's another one. Likes a handful in the tight stuff. But I don't feel like it today. I'm not in a race, got nothing to prove. I'm not riding with RPM Rob. Every time I ride with Rob, it's like a mini race for 2 hours. It's great, but it's nice to relax once in a while too. Those trees are tight stuff. How to wheelie? Well, you can bounce it and bounce it up like that. Or you clutch it like that. So after gear, you do a little clutch action, tilt it, pull in the bars, and whoa! See, I wheelied a million times and I still screw this shit up. That's how she goes. It's like riding a bike. You never figure out a wheelie once you do it once. People think you need a lot of power, but it's more technique than anything. Anyways, so third gear, this is the clutch. And pull. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Get it up. So there's a little demonstration of how to do a wheelie. The front end doesn't turn well when it's in the air. Been riding the dirt for 3 years now. Let's try a stand-up wheelie. Big brakes. Yeah, that's a tree. Thing about dirt biking, shit happens in the forest. Shit happens real quick in the forest. In the forest? They don't pronounce my R's right. Yeah, I was lost the front there. Left leg down. Kind of tweaked my knee a little bit. You pull your... You really pull your... That sucked. That actually hurt. I'm not gonna lie to you. That hurt a lot. I'll tell you a story. That's probably why I wiped out, because I got sidetracked. Why did I get involved in dirt biking? Well, one of my favorite disciplines of motorcycling. speed limit, but I don't see any cops out here radaring anybody. It's inexpensive. You can buy a good used dirt bike for a couple grand. And buy a brand new one for $7,000-8,000. All you need is off-road insurance and off-road plate. Around Ottawa, I had the Calabogie or Limerick Forest. Pretty much have a free racetrack out here. I still can't believe it's free. I'm sure the fees are coming up. I advise anybody getting in a motorcycle and get a dirt bike to learn on. Whether you go to like a closed circuit course, like a motocross track, or the woods, it's probably the most accelerated way of learning how to operate the essentials of biking. Bang for your buck, it's hard to beat. Road racing background. To be honest, I wish I would have found dirt biking a long time ago, because it's good cross training. It teaches you sliding and handling of a motorcycle. You literally are sliding here all the time. Street ride, rules of the road, and even when you get an opportunity to push your limits a little bit, like you're not really pushing your limits because you're on road and street tires, and the heat's not in the tires, and sand, and there's so many factors. Even though you think you're on the edge, you're sort of not. And that's another reason why dirt biking is amazing. Riding season. On the dirt, in the trail systems anyways, you can ride from, in Canada, mid-May, just because it's really wet in the spring, big log, to, I've ridden in late November, but comfortably end of October for sure. It's dress warm and it's fun. You're in the bush, you're somewhat sheltered, very little wind. I love that aspect of it. Dirt bike is not as weather dependent. You can, on a rainy day, go have as much fun or sometimes more fun. The trail gets pretty slick and you slow down a little bit and it's more of a challenge. The thing that gets really slippery is the leaves on the ground in the fall. I got up to about 100k, 120k there. No radar, and know what's the best? I can slide it. Woo! Wheelie. Motherfucking oaks, yo. That shit's hardwood. Well, that was fun, kids. Another G+ Racing video brought to you by Cheer Mandrick, my one only supporter that I have.